Welcome to the International Center for Studies in Creativity in Second Life, and today's video tutorial is about the skill of sitting down. In other words, of getting your avatar to sit down in different objects and surfaces within Second Life. Now, the reason it's important for you to master this ability in the context of creativity and virtual worlds is that this kind of platform like Second Life will be used to teach, to facilitate, and to train creativity sessions. And usually these are group sessions. So what we wanna make sure is that we are having a or ensure that we're having highly functional group dynamics. And although it's tempting to be flying around and exploring in Second Life, at times the presenter, the facilitator, or training will need your attention, and it's easier to focus your attention if you're sitting down. So having said that, straight to how do you actually manage to sit down. So the first thing that you have to do is locate a space or an object that is suitable for sitting. And in Second Life, usually we'll see it's a lot of conference rooms or auditoriums that provide space for sitting down, and objects like chairs. So I'm going to do the explanation with one of these orange chairs that is in front of me. So the first thing that you do is you put your mouse over the object. So once you have your mouse over the object, if you're working on a PC computer, you will do a control click or a right click. If you're working on a Mac computer, you will do an Apple click. As I'm working on an Apple computer, I want to do an Apple click. And what you will see, it's a pop-up pie menu coming up. And then you will look for the option that says sit here. And you will just click on it. By clicking on it, your avatar will automatically sit on the desired object, in this case the orange chair. When you want to stand up from that object, what you will do is locate the bottom that it says stand up. Now my cursor is pointing to that bottom, and usually you will find that button on top of the snapshot and search button in the toolbar that it's at the bottom of your screen. So once you locate that bottom, you just click it and your avatar stands up. This is very simple. And of course it requires practice. It will not require too many attempts to master the skill. Sometimes it's worth noting that you will try to sit down in a certain surface or object, and Second Life might say to you that the space is not suitable or that there's not enough space available for sitting down. So it's just a matter of practicing, of experimenting with different objects and surfaces. So I'm going to quickly go over again the mechanics of this procedure. So you locate a space. I'm going to do it now with the blue chair. You put your mouse over, you do a control click, right click if you're working on a PC, or an Apple click if you're working on a Mac. Once you click, you will see the pie menu coming up, and from the pie menu you will locate the sit here option, and you just click on it. And there you go, your avatar sits down. So that concludes our sitting down tutorial, and stay tuned for more tutorials on other Second Life skills.